comparing all elements of two tuples, with all functionality. So I know that comparisons on tuples work lexicographically. Tuples and lists are compared lexicographically using comparison of corresponding elements. This means that to compare equal, each element must compare equal and the two sequences must be of the same type and have the same length. If not equal, the sequences are ordered the same as their first differing elements. For example, CMP 1,2, x, 1,2, y, returns the same as CMP x, y. The shorter sequence is ordered first, for example 1,2, less than, 1,2, 3, if the corresponding So from this, but I want to compare all elements of two tuples in order, so functionally I want something akin to, using values from above. As an example in practice, for something like screen coordinates, if you wanted to check if something was inside the screen at 0, 0, but done a comparison like coord 0, 0, if the x coord was bigger than 0, but the y coord was smaller, it would still return true, which isn't what is needed in this case. As sort of a sub-question/discussion. I am not sure why comparing two tuples of different values is returned in such a way. You are not given any sort of index, so the only thing you get from comparing a tuple, that isn't testing equality, is that at some point in the tuple, one of the comparisons will throw a true or false value when they are not equal. How could you take advantage of that?
You can achieve this with the list comprehension and the zip built-in. You can use all or any of the returned list.
I felt like the use of map and lambda functions was missing from the answers.
You might consider using the following vectorized approach, which is usually more performant and syntactically/semantically very clear. NumPy is quite performant, and the resulting objects above also embed the any/or query methods you want. If you will be performing vector-like operations, as your screen coordinates example suggests, you may consider working with A and B as NumPy arrays, instead of tuples. That results in the most efficient implementation of what you seek, no pre-conversion necessary, and Python-based loops are replaced with efficient NumPy-based loops. This is worth highlighting because there are 2 and potentially 3 loops involved. 1. A pre-processing loop during conversion, which you can eliminate. 2. An item-by-item comparison loop. And 3. A query loop to answer the any/or question. Note that I could have also created a NumPy array from B, but not doing so eliminated one conversion step and pre-processing time. Since that approach results in one operand being a NumPy array and the other a tuple, as the sequences grow, that may/may not result in less speedy item-by-item comparisons, which strict NumPy to NumPy is good at. Try it. Smile.
Replace A, B with tuple I, J for I, J and zip A, B, in your second code sample.
If you want to see more, please don't not finden.